Yeah, I was just watching that video I posted on the B-52. I'm saying that the new ones, the wingspan is longer than the Wright brothers' original flight. Not to demean that, of course, but just that it's outlasted many of its replacements. And it explains why in the video. It's, I don't know, half an hour, 45 minutes, something. Richland High, near the house where we lived. It's called the Richland Bombers. Proud of the crowd. At least I hope it's still. I've heard that maybe it's been changed. I don't know. Who knows these days? Things would have been quite different if Hitler had finished the bomb first. Or Japan. We beat Japan by 2 days. They couldn't detonate one, but they were getting ready to scatter uranium dust over California with submarine aircraft carriers. The I-class, I-401 and I-400, I think. They found on the bottom now. They could carry 2 aircraft each. They were the biggest in the world until we built nuclear submarines. Actually, we scuttled their submarines, their 400 class, because we didn't want to have to share them with the Russians, the Soviets. So we just sunk them. We knew where they sank, but we don't know where they ended up until recently. There's this whole show on that I saw a couple years ago. Then during the Cold War, the Russians, the Soviets came out with the Typhoon class. Well, actually, we call them the Typhoons. I think they called them Shark, or the Russian word for shark. Because they had, at least one of them had a swimming pool inside it. Not a very big one, but big enough to exercise in. And I saw a show where they were scrapping it, cutting it apart. But it was the biggest in the world at that time. And that class wasn't very fast and wasn't very quiet. Because they explained that the Russia is actually quite hemmed in naval-wise. Because they have ports, but everybody can see when they're coming and going. So what they do is they'd have big, slow, loud submarines that would just wait under the Arctic ice where they rolled. And then if the time came, they'd just bust up through the ice and launch. And by then it wouldn't matter if we knew where they were. But it wouldn't do very good in a fight or in a race, but that wasn't our objective. And we roam the oceans with ours. Fast and quiet is our objective. And deep. The only one in the world who knows where any given sub is the captain of that submarine. Yep. Exactly where it is. I mean, Of course, the Navy knows approximately where their ships are. But, have I just not looked there yet today, or does cloud sneak up on me? Sometimes I do that. Or disappear just as quickly.